Gavan Daly. I'm just here with Darren Foster, our General Manager from Sailfish Catamarans. We're just going to take you through our manufacturing facility today, so let's come inside and have a look and see where it all starts. So Daz, we've got our jig, our main jig down in the back corner here. Can you just tell us how the process starts and where it ends? And
sure thing, yeah. So this jig here does everything from our 28 foot up to our sort of 30, 74 metre beams. We have a second jig that does the S8s and the canyons. So basically all the bulkheads go in these jigs, fully sheeted, joins, keels, welded up, and the crane comes in and rolls them over. Yep. Move to the floor for the next stage, right?
Fantastic. How many boats do we build in a year, roughly?
Oh, we're doing between 25, 26, 27 boats, depend on size.
Yep, excellent. So we'll just show you what we've got happening at the moment. This is a typical layout that we've got, which happens 365 days a year pretty much. So we've got a 32 just kicking off here right now. We've got a 28 there. We've got a new S8 over here. We've got a Canyon Master. Over in the corner here we've got our multicam CNC router. That's where all the sheets get cut out. Over here we've got a 35 as well coming through. 3.5 metre beam boat. Been one of our best sellers of late, so it's a beauty. Look at the beam of that, there's a huge amount of space in there. Over here we've got another 3000 Platinum Sports getting built. And down here we've got a 32 footer, which is going to be our commercial series for a local pro fisherman. Now down at our new dedicated trailer manufacturing factory. Since the recent expansion of our new factory, which is our fit-up bay and new painting booth, we now manufacture our trailer in this dedicated factory here. So Daz, can you just take us through how we go about building a trailer here at Sailfish?
Will do. Come on in. So as you all know, Sailfish has been manufacturing their trailers for over 30 years now, so we just don't buy off-the-shelf material for our trailers. It's all dedicated extrusions that we've designed up, get made up to the correct tempers and size that we require. So on these racks behind us here, as all our different trailer extrusions. Purpose-built racks onto our cutting benches, and then from the cutting benches onto our trailer jig on this side over here, with the different trailers that are getting built. As you can see, one getting built now for a Canyon Master, and from there the trailer's flipped, axles, completely finished in this factory, ready to roll.
And so each trailer is manufactured specifically for each boat, so that the trailer fits perfectly to your hull. There's no U-bolts holding anything together, nothing rattles or shakes, everything's welded into place. So
we are now in the design room where all our boats are put through their cut files. As you can see on the screens here, Jared's just some of the 37 footers were built, 32 be 3.5s, how some of the construction methods work. So up here, all the designs get put through the system. They get turned to cut files, which are sent down on the multicam for the guys ready to nest out, cut, press, and start welding. So up here's where all the dreams are made.
So you've seen some glimpses of our new dedicated paint booth and fit-up bay. Let's take a look inside and we'll show you around. So this is our brand new paint booth. Daz, can you just take us through the booth and tell us a bit about it?
Okay, so the new paint booth, she's been built specifically to fit up to our 40 foot boat at 4 metre beam. The booth's been built in a way so the guys can stand on the roof when working, so you can see it's 6 metres high in the centre part of the roof.
Huge.
All the lighting's controlled at different levels, so that for different paint angles and things like that. It has it's all exhaust fanned and all up to spec. So yeah, it's been a great innovation for us, making the finish our boats even better again.
Largest paint booth in the Northern Rivers.
Be the largest
region.
paint booth in the Northern Rivers, yes.
Yep. We'll just head into the new fit-up bay now. Come inside and have a bit of a look. Dedicated facility specifically for fitting out the boats. We can actually get 3 large boats in here now. Currently we've got a 3000 Platinum Sports. There's a 3500 Platinum Sports which has just come out of the paint booth. Believe it or not, this is going on a trailer, one of our new 9-tonne rated trailers. So absolute magnificent rig. We'll show you a little bit more about that in another video. But Daz, can you just take us through the fit-up bay?
So as you can see, this 35 by 3.5 metre beam, she's the first one that was painted in the new spray booth. So she's moved in now. The hard fit's going on first before the electronics will go in. So she'll be basically sit there for the next sort of 3 weeks in that process. And then around the other side here, you'll see the 30-footer Gav was just talking about. She's very close to being finished now. Beside the 30-footer there, we've got a full mezzanine floor that runs right through for easy access for windows, roof access for radars, aerials and things like that.
Store a bit of stock up there as well. You can see our hatches up there.
Yeah, all the fitting gear's on dedicated trolleys, so every job card, got the fitting gear goes on there, so the guys make it easy for pick. So yeah, a well-oiled machine now.
Well, that's a wrap from the tour around the factory here from Australia's leading catamaran manufacturer. Make sure you hit like on our link below for our YouTube channel to get all the latest updates. And tight lines, everyone.